Hello students, welcome you to this session. In the previous video I taught the first 10 questions, first 10 objective questions, right? In the chapter probability distribution. Okay, so today we are going to do the remaining. We start with question number 11. P of x equal to 0. P of x equals 0, meaning when x equals 0, the probability equal to 1 minus P of x equal to 1. That means there are only two outcomes, 0 and 1. X takes only two values. X takes the values, say 0 and 1. So the probability, corresponding probability, P of 0, I'm taking it as M, then the total probability is 1. So the other one will be 1 minus M, right? So if you add, you have to get what? 1. Then what is given here? So they asked to find P of x equal to 0. I'm taking let P of x equal to 0 is equal to what? M. So just you find M value, okay? So f of 0, that is what they asked to find. See what is given here. E of x is equal to expected value of x equal to 3 times variance of x. They are talking about variance and expectation. So you find E of x and E of x square. E of x means sigma x into P of x. P of x or f of x. So 0 into M, 0 plus 1 into 1 minus M. So you are getting 1 minus M. This is E of x. E of x square is sigma x square into f of x. Here it is P of x. So that is 0 square into M plus 1 square. It is 1 only into 1 minus M. So this is also 1 minus M. It is given in the question variance of x is equal to, how much they said? No, E of x is equal to 3 times variance of x. Expected value of x is equal to, E of x is equal to 3 times variance of x. That is, E of x is equal to 3 times variance of x means E of x square minus E of x the whole square. So E of x, you got it as 1 minus M. So 1 minus M is equal to 3 into E of x square, that also 1 minus M, minus 1 minus M square, right? So if you simplify, 1 minus M is equal to 3 into 1 minus M minus of A minus B the whole square. A square minus 2AB plus B square. But outside a minus is there, so minus 1 plus 2M minus M square, right? Actually plus M square, but outside minus. Okay, by that minus you multiply. So plus 1 and minus 1 you cancel. 1 minus M equal to minus 3M. So or you do one thing, minus plus 3 into 2M minus M is M minus M square. So 1 minus M equal to 3M minus 3M square. Bring everything one side. 3M square minus 4M plus 1 equal to 0, right? Sum equal to minus 4, product is equal to 3. The numbers are minus 1 and minus 3. So 3M square minus 3M minus M plus 1 equal to 0. Take 3M common, M minus 1. Take minus outside, M minus 1 equal to 0. So M minus 1 into 3M minus 1 equal to 0, right? So M is equal to 1 or M equal to plus 1 by 3, right? 3M equal to 1, M equal to 1 by 3. 1 or 1 by 3. So they asked to find P of x equals 0. P of x equals 0 is M, right? P of x equals 0 they asked, that is, we are taken as M. So your answer is 1 or 1 by 3. See the option, what they given. 1 is not there, but 1 by 3 is there. So that is the correct answer. Now let's move on to question number 12. If x is a binomial random variable with expected value, so E of x is mean, right? So expected value E of x equal to 6, that means mean equal to 6. Since it is binomial, mean is equal to what? NP. So NP is 6. Variance equal to 2.4, that is NPQ is equal to 2.4, equation number 2. They asked to find P of x equal to 5. So f of 5 they asked to find. So you need f of x. To find f of x you need NPQ, right? Equation 2 by equation 1. NPQ by NP is equal to 2.4 by 6, right? Cancel NP, so Q equal to shift one digit 24 by 60, cancel by 12 table 2 by 5. So Q equal to 2 by 5, so P equal to 1 minus Q. 1 minus 2 by 5, that is 3 by 5. So NP is 6, NP is 6, substitute the value. N into P value 3 by 5 equal to 6, 3 table cancel 2, cross multiply, N equal to 5 into 2, 10. Now you know all the values. You can write f of x for binomial distribution. F of x is NCX, P raised to x, Q raised to N minus x, right? So if it is a 2 mark or 3 mark, you write the formula and write. So here I just substituted the value, right? And equal to, this is when x equal to 0, 1 to up to n, equal 0, otherwise and all you have to write. So P of x equal to 5. So that means you have to find f of 5. For x you put 5, 10 C 5, 3 by 5 raised to 5 into 2 by 5 raised to 10 minus 5, that is also 5, and that is option number 4. Now question number 13, you see the 13th one. The random variable x has a probability density function. It is a probability density function, so total probability is 1. Here 0 to 1, so integral 0 to 1 f of x, what is that? Ax plus b dx is equal to 1. So from here you will get one relation. Please listen. A into x integration x squared by 2 plus b integration bx 0 to 1 equal to 1. Give the upper limit. So a into 1 by 2. So a by 2 plus b into 1 b. Minus, when you give 0, everything is 0, right? So b equal to 1 minus a by 2, or b equal to, take 2 as LCM, 2 minus a. That is stop here. We want to find the values of what? A and b. They asked to find a and b. You got some relation. Now one more information. E of x is what? 7 by 12. E of x is 7 by 12. E of x means integral, what's the limit? 0 to 1. 0 to 1. X into f of x. F of x is ax plus b dx is equal to 7 by 12. 0 to 1. Ax square plus bx of dx is equal to 7 by 2. Integrate it. A into x square integration x cube by 3 plus b into x integration x square by 2, limit 0 to 1 is equal to 7 by 2. Upper limit 1 you give, so a into 1 by 3, so a by 3 plus b into 1 by 2, b by 2. Minus, when you give 0, both the terms become 0, right? 7 by 2, or it is 12, 7 by 12, right? 7 by 12. Left side, you better you take LCM. 6 is LCM, so 2a plus 3b is 7 by 12. You cancel the 6 and 12, you are getting 2. So 2a plus 3b equal to 7 by 2. For b, from equation 1, you got b value. What is that? 2 minus a by 2. 2 minus a by 2. Lengthy question, right? They can ask even as a 5-mark question, I think. Okay, now 2a plus. Or you do one thing, you take 2 as LCM. So 2 2s are 4. 4a plus 6 minus 3a equal to 7 by 2. 2 to cancel. 4a minus 3a is a plus 6 equal to 7. You are getting a equal to 7 minus 6, 1. So a value 1. They asked find a and b. A value 1. It is in 2 places, so you cannot conclude now. Equation 2, 1 says b equal to 2 minus a by 2. B equal to 2 minus a by 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So b value 1 by 2. A value 1. B value 1 by 2. So first one is the correct answer. Okay, now let's move on to question number 14. Suppose x takes on one of the values 0, 1, 2. X takes the value 0, 1, 2 for some constant k. P of xi equal to k into P of xi minus 1. P of x equals 0 is 1 by 7. P of x equals 0. When x equals 0, the probability is 1 by 7. For 1 and 2, you have to follow this relation. What's the meaning of that, If I put I equal to 1, so P of x equal to 1, P of x equal to 1 is equal to K into P of x equal to, for I you give 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0. So it is K into P of x equal to 0 is 1 by 7. So it is K by 7. So for 1, it is K by 7. When you put K equal to 2, P of I value 2 you give now. So P of x equal to 2. When you give 2 here, for I you give 2. K into P of x equal to 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, right? P of x equal to 1. That is K into P of x equal to 1 is K by 7. So totally it is K square by 7. So for 2 it is K square by 7. They asked find K value. It is a probability distribution. So total probability must be 1. So sigma P of x is equal to 1. So just add it 1 by 7 plus K by 7 plus K square by 7 is equal to 1, right? And K must be positive, right? Okay. Now you multiply every term by 7. When you multiply by 7, you are getting K square. I am writing in order. K square plus K plus 1 equal to 7. Bring that 7 to the left side. K square plus K minus 6 equal to 0. Factorize. K plus 3 into K minus 2 equal to 0. So one answer K equal to minus 3, not possible. Another answer K equal to 2. So K equal to 2 is the correct answer. K cannot be negative and all, right? So because probability cannot be negative. Now let's move on to question number 15. Which of the following is a discrete? Discrete means x takes the values 1, 0, 1, 2. After 1 it takes 2 only. It won't take 1.1, 1.2 and all, right? 1, 2, 3. Then we say it is discrete. Which of the following is a discrete random variable? If you take all the values in between, 0.1, 0.01, anything, then you say it is continuous. The number of cars crossing a particular signal. How many cars cross the signal? You may say 5 cars or 7 cars. You want to say 2.315 cars, right? So it is discrete. Number of customers in a queue. How many people are there in a queue? It will be, you say 7 or 8, right? You won't say 7.2 and all, right? That is discrete. Time taken to complete the telephone call. Time taken to complete a telephone call. Maybe 1 hour or 30 minutes or 20 minutes or few seconds, right? So 1 minute, 12 seconds. So it can be any value, right? Takes any value, fraction of seconds you can say. So that is continuous one. So discrete is first and second are discrete, okay? Now question number 16. F of x equal to 2x. X lies between 0 and a is a probability density function. So total probability 1, that's all. So here 0 to a, f of x. What is f of x? 2x. 2 into x dx equal to 1. So that is 2 into x integration x square by 2, limit 0 to a is equal to 1. 2 to cancel, upper limit a square, lower limit 0, it is 0 only, is equal to 1. So a equal to plus or minus 1, right? A equal to plus or minus 1, but in the option also a is greater than 0, right? So you take the positive value, so 1 is the correct answer. Now question number 17. The probability mass function of a random variable is given. E of x they asked, you find k value first. If you add everything, you have to get 1. If you add everything, you are getting 15k is 1. So k value 1 by 15. Total probability 1. But they didn't ask k value, but we need E of x. Since it is discrete, E of x is sigma x into f of x. So minus 2 into k, minus 1 into 2k, plus 0 into anything 0, plus 1 into 4k, plus 2 into 5k. In all the terms, you can take k common. What is left out? Minus 2, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, the 0 leave it, plus 1 into k, k plus 10, right? So k you have taken out, so this is 4, minus 4k, right? So plus 4. minus 2 is minus 4 plus 4 cancel. So 10k you are getting. So it is 10 into k value 1 by 15 cancel 2 by 3. That is option number 4. Now question number 18. Listen to the 18th question. X have a Bernoulli's distribution. So please listen. There is something different from Bernoulli's distribution and binomial distribution. Okay, so please listen. Bernoulli's distribution. Certain things you have to remember here. F of x for Bernoulli's distribution is P of x into 1 minus P raised to 1 minus x, and x takes the values only 0 and 1. Okay, so f of x is p raised to x into q. Instead of q, we are writing the value 1 minus p raised to 1 minus x, not n minus x. So here x equal to 0, 1, only one trial. Okay, and here the mean, or you can say e of x, that's a mean, right? So mean equal to p, n is 1 only, so variance equal to PQ, NPQ, n is 1, right? So it is PQ. So that alone you remember here. N value 1, just one trial, okay? Bernoulli's distribution with mean equal to 0.4. So that means P value 0.4. So immediately you know Q value 1 minus 0.4, it is 0.6. Then the question is variance of 2x minus 3. So 2 can be taken out, so it becomes 2 square. 4 into variance of x. Variance of minus 3 is 0. Variance of a constant is 0. So 4 into variance of x is PQ. So that is 4 into 0.4, 0.4 into 0.6. If you simplify, you will get 0.96. That is option number 4. So question number 19. If in 6 trials, so number of repetitions 6, n equal to 6, x is a binomial variable which follows the relation 9 into p of x equal to 4, so f of 4 equal to p of x equal to means f of 2. So you know what is f of x. For binomial distribution, f of x is ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. So substitute 9 into f of 4, n value 6. So 6c4 p raised to 4 q raised to n minus 4. N is 6. So 6 minus 4, it is 2. Right? N value 6. F of 2. So if you want here itself, you mark n value is what? N value is 6. So ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. N value we know it is what? 6. Now f of 2. For x you put 2. 6c2 p raised to 2 q raised to 6 minus 2, it is 4. Now you can cancel 6c4 and 6c2 because ncr is nc n minus r. 6c4 is 6c, 6 minus 4, it is 2. So both are same. So 9 into p raised to 4, p square. Cancel, you will get a p square here. Here q square, here right side q raised to 4. If you cancel, you will get a q square. Right? So here the easy method is you take square root. So 3p is equal to q. So 3p is equal to, q can be written as 1 minus p, right? Bring minus p here. So 4p equal to 1. So p equal to 1 by 4. What they asked in the question, the probability of success only p 1 by 4, that is 0.25 because in the option they given like that, okay? Now let's move on to the last question. Question number 20. A computer salesperson knows from his past experience that he sells computers to 1 in every 20 customers. If 20 customers he attends, 1 person will buy the computer. Okay, so the chance of selling a computer is 1 by 20. If 22 customers come, 1 person buy that. Okay, who enters the showroom? What is the probability that he will sell the computer? So success is probability of selling. Okay, probability of selling a computer. So P is equal to 1 by 20. Hope you understood how. Q equal to 1 minus P. So that is 1 minus 1 by 20. So 19 by 20. What is the probability that he sell a computer exactly to? Exactly to means you have to find f of 2 with next 3 customers. So n is equal to 3. Okay, n equal to 3. So you know f of x, binomial distribution, ncx, p raised to x, q raised to n minus x. So that is f of x equal to n is 3cx, p value 1 by 20 raised to x, q 19 by 20 raised to n minus x, 3 minus x, okay, and equals 0 otherwise. Here x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. They asked exactly 2, so p of x equal to 2. That is, you have to find f of 2. Wherever x comes, you put 2. So 3c2, 1 by 20 raised to 2, 19 by 20 raised to 3 minus 2, it is 1, right? So 3c2 means it is 3. 1 square, 1 by 20 square into 19 by 20. So 3 into 19 is 57. 20 square into 20 is 20 cube. 57 by 20 cube. So the first option is the correct one. Okay. So that's all the objective questions. So we'll continue the next video.